Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your Oculus Quest 3. First, you will need a VR-ready personal computer and a stable internet connection. You can connect your Quest 3 to your computer using either a high-quality USB-C link cable or wirelessly via AirLink. This setup allows your computer to render Roblox and stream it directly to your headset, providing an immersive virtual reality experience. Before you begin, ensure your personal computer meets the necessary specifications for virtual reality. You will need a powerful graphics card, such as an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2000 series or AMD Radeon RX 5000 series, and a robust processor. Next, download and install the official Oculus PC application. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to set up your Quest 3 for either a wired or wireless connection. To connect, if using a cable, simply plug one end of your USB-C link cable into your personal computer's USB 3.0 port and the other end into your Quest 3 headset. For a wireless experience, enable AirLink in your Quest 3's Quick Settings menu. Then, select your computer from the available devices. The Oculus PC application should confirm a successful connection, displaying your headset as active and ready. With your Quest 3 successfully connected, launch the Roblox application on your personal computer. Once Roblox is open, navigate to a game that supports virtual reality. Many popular experiences offer VR compatibility, allowing you to step directly into their worlds. Put on your headset, and you'll be immersed in the expansive and creative universe of Roblox, ready to explore and interact in a whole new dimension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.